Hi guys, welcome back. Today I want to talk about another jean, this time from Japan, by Kojima Genes, and I'm really excited about it. I've been waiting for this for about a month. So I'll tell you the story. I was looking for specifically for 18-oz Japanese brand, and I came across there's several reviews on websites. One called Handles, and there was a great reviews of this particular Kojima Genes. It is Left Hand Twill, 18-oz, just beautiful, gorgeous denim. So anyway, so let me tell you real quick how did I purchase. I did. You could buy two different ways you can buy it. You can either go on a website or Kojima Genes and directly get it from Japan. Since I'm here in the US, you can actually get it from the company called Atrium. It's sort of like a middleman, and Atrium SF. They're based in San Francisco, and that's how I purchased it. I placed order through this Atrium SF, and they were great, fantastic service, and I requested alterations. It's about 31 and a half, and when you go to the website, there is only 1 inch increments. So, and I needed, I wanted 31.5, and I sent them email, and they, communicate really quick. They asked me, could you send us in centimeters? And I said, yes, I need like 80 centimeters, and that was it. So I placed order on December 2nd, and they sent me email, shipment email on 22nd, and I received it on 28th. So from December 2nd to 28th, it was only 26 days, which is fine with me. The price was $139. Plus alterations, it's $15, and which is great deal, because if you're not going to be able to find a nice alteration shops. Here is you see this is professionally made by the company, chain stitch, just a fantastic. So I'm pretty happy about this. So with alterations, it was 154. And total with a shipment from Japan was $35. So total was like $189, which is still a great price if you compare it to any other brands, like Ironheart, which is $450. I think this is fantastic, and it's probably made from the same denim. So this is 18 ounces, Left Hand Twill. It says label union made. Here, as probably if you watch this channel, you probably some kind of a denim head, and you know that this is Kojima. It's in Akayama Prefecture in Japan, and this is sort of like a mecca. There is a lot of brands. They actually based in Kojima and all the textile mills. It's just fantastic. I really wanted, because I could tell that this is not as heavy as 21 ounce. It could be all, seasons, not just like a winter seasons. You can probably wear this in the summertime, and they're not hard to break. Probably would be easy to break them in. So the classic style, you have 5 belt loops. Belt loops, by the way, is not flat. It's beautiful, like a convex style. And it's probably will attribute to a lot of nice fading here. All the details just absolutely fantastic. One thing I want to mention, there's 3 styles. This is a slim, taper, or skinny. And the reason I ordered it, I personally like buttonfly style myself, but the buttonfly, for some reason, there's a chart, and I'm probably gonna post on this, include in this post. The chart for buttonfly, the measurements was way too low. The front rise was very low, and was something like 10.5, 10 and a quarter inches. So this one, slim taper, was 11-inch front rise, which is great. And I pulled the trigger, and I think they're gonna fit great. And as you know, when you order heavy denim, they will stretch, because 21 ounces I ordered, and they stretch already almost like an inch. I have to wear it like with a belt. So the heavier the denim, you probably should go one size down, so half a size down. So, but normally when you go on the charts, actually this particular, the Kojima brand, they have a nice charts and very precise in centimeters. But you can measure like your favorite jeans and you can see, and you just can, you know, choose exactly. That's the reason I picked this style, because all the measurements similar to what I have in Levi 511 kind of a. So let's go to details. 5 belt loops, you know, traditional 5 corner pockets. They're much smaller than Levi 501s, like I do have them here. As you can see, in the shape a little different. This is kind of like a tapered shape on this pocket, and much larger. So I wish the pockets would be bigger. I actually do like bigger pockets if you want to put like a cell phone or something. So this cell phone would be kind of a challenging a little bit. I'm going to be sticking out here. So, but it's okay. So the yoke is beautiful. As you can see, all the stitch, the chain stitch all across, beautiful. The poly cotton, like orange poly cotton thread. So what else? The chacron, or this brand page, it's gorgeous. It's like very thick, you know, like a cowhide. This is thick leather, almost like a 2 millimeters at least, and it's like a nubuck style. It's a flat, almost like a suede. Beautiful. Probably gonna be, you know, worn out with the time. Just gonna be gorgeous. So there's a here, made in Japan. Actually, I posted like a short video of unpacking, like unboxing I called it. There's a kind of like you could see more details. Beautiful. So I love all the attention to details. Rivets, copper rivets, and you can see the thread coming, they punch through, which is supposed to be like old school. They call it with a mitt. This is kind of a sign of quality craftsmanship. As you can see, coin pocket is also the ID. You can see slightly like a red ID here, you know, and I forgot to mention, there's right here. As you can see, I'll show you the edge. So here you can see the red ID. It's hard to see it, but there's a slightly, you can see the red ID thread. So beautifully done. So let's dive into measurements. Yes, the button is here, like a steel button. It punched the stamped Kojima. It's also stamped inside the rivets. The YKK zip, that's interesting. So I want to actually mention, this is something I don't like. This is YKK. It's called Universal Collection. This is actually American like reproduction of 1950s American zippers. It has like a double locks here. You see the double hooks. What it is, they're kind of always sticking out, because even though when I try to, you have to kind of press it hard to lock it. It says Universal stamp here. On the other side, I think it says Connecticut. Oh, sorry, the Kentucky. So, but this is kind of, I'm not so wild about it. Like I said, I wish it was a button fly. Okay, so the pockets are pretty deep enough. I think it's just pretty much like on Levi's LVC. It has beautiful pattern here, printed by Kojima, you know, brand, which I like, pretty nice touch. And also the lining material, it's pretty nice. It's mostly cotton, I would say probably like a 60-70% cotton. Very nice canvas, feels good to your skin. So let's dive into measurements real quick. I don't want to do it too long for you guys. And let's do the front rise would be 11 inches. The knee, yeah, I forgot to mention, this is size 34. It's a slim taper 34 size. My regular size also 34 Levi's. It's you know, LVC, and you know, all like 511 and 505 34, and this is 34 as well. So this is knee, or let's do the inner thigh. So 12. Yes, 12. So then we'll do the knee would be 8 inches even. It would be pretty narrow, but I think when you bend the knee, and you will stretch pretty quick, because like I said, this is a heavy denim. It usually stretches pretty good. It's probably gonna go stretch all the way up to like 8.5, half an inches will stretch in the knee particular. And at the hem, it's 7.5. So this is perfect. And like I said, I ordered alterations. The 31. Okay, this would be like a 31.5. Yeah, 31.5 exactly, because they do. You can send them email and say I want to do like 75 centimeters. You have to set them in centimeters. They do any length alterations for $15. It's fantastic. So because you're gonna pay in professional alterations for chain stitch, you're gonna pay like $25 at least. So this is pretty much, we covered all of it. It comes in this nice paper bag by Kojima. So and one thing I forgot to mention about the denim, one more thing, this is Left Hand Twill, and this is, when I went on the website, they say it's made of 100% American denim. It's, in description on Kojima Genes website. So, and it says here, union made. What else? We pretty much covered so what I mentioned, it's very similar to actually style to 777, like Ironheart 777S, and they would be very similar. Even the way the pocket sits, I think the Ironheart's maybe pocket slightly larger, but overall they're similar to 777. I think I covered pretty much. I don't think I missed anything. Please, post the comments or questions. I was happy to share with you guys my thought, or anyone who has this brand would be nice to hear. I'm gonna post, at the end of this video, I'm gonna post how they sit on me. And you will see, I actually didn't put them on yet, so I'm very excited about this. And they should be pretty tight, but like I said, they will stretch a little. Like any heavy denim jeans, you have to probably break them in a couple of weeks. That's it, guys. Thank you so much, and please put some likes and click some likes or subscribe, and we'll see you again.